Hi, today, before I give you the quote of the week, I want to tell you about our trip to pick up our farm fresh produce. We ordered it and we meet her locally, and we have these lovely collard greens and some kale. And then we have broccolis, 2 of them, and then some green onions, and then the first thing we've seen this year, fresh strawberries. I don't usually get this excited about the groceries at the grocery store, but when it's the farm fresh produce, this was all in the ground or on the plants yesterday, so that makes it really, really fresh. Today's quote I have chosen from Julia Child, and the quote says, "The only real stumbling block is fear of failure. In cooking, you've got to have a what the hell attitude." And that's really important to me because that's kind of how I've always cooked. I was told once that the first turkey you cook will be dry, and I've told that when you're making a souffle, it will fall. I've been told all kinds of stuff, and it's never stopped me from jumping in and cooking. Because when you're cooking, you can almost never go wrong. It always works out. Now baking's another subject, and when you're baking, you have to be kind of exact, but when it's cooking, like when you're cooking this kale or the broccoli, it's easy. And that's what I want for everyone to know and to learn, just how easy it is, and to prepare and cook and eat these delicious vegetables. So that's kind of an introduction to me in Veggies 101, and we'll have more next week. Bye.